and after that we are going to host our onion website over the darknet. So just open up your browser and search for Tor project. Right now, as I'm using the Windows, so I have to download the Tor browser for the Windows. So after opening up this website, you have to go to either download the Tor or you can go to download here. So I'm just clicking it here and the website will open up. So you can see it's for the Tor browser for the Windows. So if you are not using the window, you have to install for the Mac or the Linux. So right now I'm using Windows, so I have to click here it to download it. So as you can see, I already downloaded this Tor browser on my desktop. So just try to install it. So just double click on it to just run it to install the Tor browser, and I'm just selecting the language as English. Choose the path, the where you want to install the Tor browser. So I'm just clicking this as next. So you can see this the Tor browser and the data will be stored here. So it will take a little bit time in installing up till we have to wait. So finally the Tor browser is successfully installed. So just finish to run the Tor browser, and this is the shortcut created here. So just what you have to do, you have to just connect it. So it will be connect and establish the connection of the circuits. So after completing the circuits, we can successfully able to use the Tor browser. So actually the Tor browser using Mozilla Firefox as a browser. As I'm using my Windows machine in the VirtualBox, so it will take a little bit time in just loading the relays informations. So just I'm waiting until it's establishing the connection. Wow, great. So you can see our Tor browser is successfully configured right now. So just click on the test network to test the network here, and this is the IP we got. This browser is configured successfully. So just try to click here to check out this circuit, and here is some problem. Seems like that this browser is not exactly updated. So you have to click here, and after that you have to search on internet that how to update your browser Mozilla Firefox. So after that this error will not come probably. So right now we are going to set up our Tor websites. So what exactly you need for the website setting the Tor website? You need Apache service to run your local host. So for that, either you can install the WAMP or you can install the XAMPP. So this is the WAMP server. As I'm just click here to just visit it, and otherwise you can just directly go to here and download the WAMP server for your Windows machine. Again, if you are going to this website, you have to click on the download and download the appropriate version for your according to your Windows machine, or it's 32-bit or 64-bit. So again, if you are not going for the WAMP, just download this XAMPP. So in the both of WAMP and XAMPP, you have to select the one software. So it will help us to locate to enable the local host service inside our computer system. So you can download for the Windows here. So check out, these are the versions. So right now I'm using as 32-bit, so just click and download it. As I already installed the XAMPP inside my computer system, so let's get started. So just check out that XAMPP is working perfectly. Search XAMPP. So after installing that, you will find that this is the control panel. So just click on it, and this is the Apache and MySQL. So we have to start those two services for right now. So before, I'm going to show you one little bit demonstration here. Like as I'm searching for the 127.0.0.1. So it's called the local host. But you can see this is unable to connect to whatever the IP. Right now it's not connected. So just after turning on these services, we will again refresh it. So you can see the Apache services is successfully running, and turn on the MySQL service also. So this is exactly the port number my Apache service is using, port 80 for the HTTP and port 443 for the HTTPS. So after that, just refresh this page and see that, hey, this website is opening up. So our localhost is running successfully. So my localhost is running successfully. So let's do our homework. So these services, just minimize it, and after that go to the Tor project and just open this Tor browser configuration. Here you will see the option browser, and after that you have to go to the Tor browser. In Tor browser you will find out the data, and inside the data you will find again the Tor, and here we go. So this is file we are just searching for. So I'm just try to edit up this website. So just open it with Notepad. Right now we are setting up our own onion website, that is Tor website. So we have to do something. So here I'm doing the comment. On the comment I'm typing out that setuping Tor website. Great. Perfect. So after that we have to write something here. So that is hidden service and the directory. So just copy out this directory till the name of the user here and paste it after giving the space. So make sure in this H is capital, S is capital, and the D is capital. So after that we have to make a folder that is hidden service underscore service. Perfect. So after that, what happened? Go to your computer system and find out this link here. So go to C and then user may Gautam, and after that create a folder that named with the hidden service. As I already created this folder, so open up this folder. This is the blank folder. So just you have to create that folder and after that close it. So the next thing you have to write is hidden service and then the port. So in this H is capital and S is capital and port is capital, P is capital. After that you have to write down the port and your localhost IP 0.1 and the port address here as 80. So that's you have to write down, and after that you have to click on the save to this file. So our file is ready, and after that close it. So right now, as we in previous, so you can see our XAMPP control panel is currently running. So I have to just check out that where's this file is located. So it's XAMPP and go to htdoc. So we have to create the one file, that is HTML file, that is our web page. So I'm just putting down the small web page here, that is Gautam Kumawat Tor website. Done. After that I have to close the header and perfect. Save it and index.html. Make sure to click on it as a all files, and after that you can save it. So close it and it's perfectly working. Double click on it to check out that is writing all the data. Yeah, perfect. And close this. Delete this file because it's useless now. So this index.html is currently we are having. So these servers are just working. So start also FileZilla and the Tomcat also. We don't have any type of problem. So after starting those services, just minimize it and just in your browser try to do the 127.0.0.1. So you can see we are successfully able to see our website in our local host. So now our job is to just host this website into the Tor network. So just minimize this and open up your Tor browser. So it's trying to connect to the Tor network. Oops, my internet connection is I haven't connected. So right now I connected to. So I have to just click on the reconfigure and connect it here. So finally my Tor browser is just connected. So that's it. So right now I have to go to computer again and get the host name, or you can say the IP address of our website that we had hosted into Tor network. So go to C, user, Gotham, and we had created the file here, hidden services. So this is the host name. So this is our website right now. So just copy this link and paste it into your Tor browser. So let's see our website is on or it's not uploaded on the Tor. Wow, awesome. Website is perfectly working right now. So just again, I'm just going to copy it and refresh it again. Great. So right now the website is currently hosted over the Tor network. So I'm just trying out to copy this URL and open it into my another machine. So right now I'm accessing it into the virtual machine, and I will try out to open this same URL into our main host machine. So let's try out. So open your Tor browser here and write down that address. So I copied that address into my main Mac machine, and I'm just trying to open this URL using my Tor browser. So just I hit the enter and waiting this website to be just loading up. So you can see here I successfully able to see this Tor website on my Mac operating system also. So right now this website is live. So it was really easy tutorial for you guys to just follow up and make your Tor website within 5 minutes only.